It's frustrating just being on the fixed income. I have to keep myself limited. It's just really hard to make the right decision. For me personally, I've had some battles with cancer. Just to purchase a new pair of eyeglasses, that prices went up tremendously. Or I have hearing aids now. That's another huge expense, which really kind of sucks.
Barbara Campbell protected and patrolled Hamilton County as a sheriff's deputy for over a decade before she had to take a medical leave. She made a career of taking care of others, but now she feels forgotten.
Looking for 2026 plans, the prices have almost doubled from $476 to $1,000. That's a big chunk of money. I'll just have to look for another job to help me compensate for the price increases. It is very depressing.
Campbell's premium increases and higher out-of-pocket costs for her insurance through Ohio Public Employees Retirement System is daunting. But she's not the only one feeling like her health benefits are slipping further out of reach.
The most vulnerable group that I see are people who buy on the exchanges who are older because the exchange premiums increase with your age.
Mark Pauly, a health economist at UPenn's Wharton School, says the group may see their insurance increase by thousands. That's for about 20 million people. People who get insurance from their job, though, will likely see a more manageable 5% increase. So why is this happening? Pauly says there are a few reasons. First, for people with ACA exchange plans, if the subsidies from the government don't renew, it can make health insurance plain unaffordable.
What has dramatically affected people buying on the exchanges is that insurers who sold coverage there had much higher claims than they expected last year. And so now they're trying to make it up this year.
And Pauly says insurance companies will sometimes raise premiums in hopes that healthy people will drop out and run around uninsured, which means the average cost would be higher for the sick people who remain. And for health insurance in general, Pauly says there's two reasons we're seeing price increases. We're still recovering from people going to the doctor less during the pandemic, and those popular weight loss drugs, well, they actually come with a heavy consequence.
They advertised Liberty Mutual insurance where you only pay for what you want. But health insurance doesn't work that way. You pay for what everybody wants. And lately, at least some people have been wanting a lot.
So what can you do to find a health insurance plan that is right for you? Pauly says that the first rule of thumb is do not drop your health insurance. If you think you can't afford a premium, you definitely can't afford to get sick. So if you're looking on the ACA exchange, at least get a bronze plan. Now, if you're a healthy person, maybe you want to take a risk. Find a plan that you pay higher deductibles or out-of-pocket costs and a lower premium and hope you don't get sick. Now, an HSA is also an option. It has higher deductibles, but you also get a tax break on money that's put in a special account. The only downside here is that if you do get sick, you may wipe out that account completely.
As for Campbell, she'll need to pick a plan regardless come December 13th. She's just hoping it's a plan that won't bring her out of retirement.
It's taken hours of your life just to figure out these don't work. These aren't going to cover your doctors.
Very much.
So you're going to actually drive to Columbus then?
Yes.
To see someone in person?
I'm going to make an appointment to drive up there and to sit down one-on-one. And maybe they can find something better than what I'm not able to find on my own.
Cassie Arsenault, Local 12 News.